Kobe Protro Ruthless Precision is preparing for a long-awaited comeback during Holiday 2026, bringing back a design that helped begin a new era for Kobe Bryant's signature footwear line. First introduced in 2016 after Kobe stepped away from the NBA, the Kobe represented a transition into modern performance while honoring the competitive mindset that defined his career. This returning version keeps the clean and focused look of the original. A dark gray engineered knit upper forms the lightweight base, delivering breathability and a flexible fit that moves naturally during quick basketball actions. Subtle synthetic overlays reinforce key areas for added durability and support during lateral movement. At the back, an iridescent TPU heel counter displays Kobe's sheath logo while helping stabilize the foot. Inside the midsole, responsive Zoom Air works with lightweight foam to provide impact protection and court feel. A durable rubber outsole completes the design with reliable traction built for fast stops and sharp directional changes.